The final confrontation unfolds as King Cartel stands ready to face the new threat, the tension in the air almost palpable. Beside him, Mr. Majestic Ninja prepares for battle, their combined strength igniting the arena as they gear up for an epic showdown. As the clash intensifies, King Cartel unleashes a fierce blow, determined to assert his dominance over the new threat, a palpable sense of bravery radiating from him. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja showcases his incredible agility, maneuvering through the chaos with a series of swift, calculated moves as they fight for their victory. With a fierce determination, King Cartel strikes a decisive blow against the shadow figure, forcing it to reveal its darker nature as the battle rages on. In perfect harmony, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja share a resolute gaze, their unbreakable bond, fueling their next powerful synchronized assault against the enemy. As the final moments of the confrontation loom, King Cartel gathers his strength, his very essence glowing with power, signaling the pinnacle of his legacy. At the same time, Mr. Majestic Ninja skillfully takes to the skies, unleashing a barrage of shurikens that cut through the shadows, showcasing their teamwork in this epic fight. With a thunderous roar, King Cartel unleashes a powerful energy blast that envelops the shadow figure, bringing forth light and clarity to the chaotic battlefield. As the dust begins to settle, Mr. Majestic Ninja joins King Cartel, both standing victorious, their presence symbolizing the enduring hope and strength that inspires their city. As the aftermath of the battle unfolds, the lingering shadows fade away, marking a significant victory that restores peace to the realm. In a heartfelt moment, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja share a fist bump, their faces shining with pride and relief as they reflect on the legacy and suffering. As dawn breaks over the city, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, heralding a fresh start and renewed hope for all its inhabitants. From atop a bustling rooftop, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja gaze out over their beloved city, united and resolute, prepared to tackle any new challenges that lie ahead. In the heart of the city, King Cartel stands tall before an eager crowd, his voice resonating with strength and inspiration as he shares his vision for a brighter future. Beside him, Mr. Majestic Ninja offers silent support, embodying the unwavering partnership that will guide their community through the challenges ahead. Laughter fills the air as children frolic in the park, flying vibrant kites that soar high above, embodying the spirit of joy and innocence in the heart of the city. From a nearby bench, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja exchange proud glances, knowing that their efforts have paved the way for a flourishing community. The streets come alive with a lively community festival filled with vibrant decorations and the tantalizing aromas of local delicacies, celebrating the unity and diversity of the city. As King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja stroll through the festivities, they engage warmly with the citizens, reinforcing the bond that makes their leadership meaningful and cherished. Without warning, the sky darkens, heavy clouds looming overhead, creating an unsettling atmosphere that disrupts the festive spirit. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja share a moment of concern, realizing that the peace they fought for is now threatened by an unseen disturbance. From the shadows, a band of mysterious figures emerges, their presence casting a pall over the joyful festival, igniting whispers of fear among the gathered crowd. Sensing the tension rise, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja take decisive steps forward, determined to shield their community from the impending danger. With unwavering resolve, King Cartel raises his hand, a gesture of reassurance for the anxious crowd behind him as he assesses the emerging threat. By his side, Mr. Majestic Ninja adopts a defensive posture, embodying strength and readiness, committed to protecting the people they serve. As the ominous figures advance, their menacing leader bellows threats that echo through the air, stirring panic among the once celebratory crowd. Unshaken, King Cartel faces the leader with steely determination, while Mr. Majestic Ninja swiftly surveys the area, seeking allies to support their imminent stand against the threat. With unwavering courage, King Cartel steps forward, defiantly voicing his challenge to the intruders, igniting a spark of bravery in the hearts of the crowd. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja discreetly signals to a trusted group of allies, calling them to unite their resolve, solidifying as they prepare to defend their community. As hope spreads through the crowd, the festival goers stand firmly behind King Cartel, their expressions transforming from fear to a fierce determination to protect their home. Mr. Majestic Ninja, confident in his allies' positions them strategically. Each ally poised and prepared to showcase their strengths in the face of adversity. With a sneer, the challenger dismisses the courage of the assembled citizens, signaling his minions to prepare for chaos. In a moment of shared determination, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja lock eyes, recognizing their unified purpose as they stand ready to defend their community against the Phoenix. As the atmosphere thickens with anticipation, both sides brace for the impending clash, each warrior poised to defend their beliefs. In stark contrast, a small child clings to their parent, embodying the essence of innocence, silently wishing for a peaceful resolution amidst the chaos.